Hi everyone, this is Faizan Ahmed, and today was our topic about Bitcoin intro. This is our fourth lecture, and first of all, we need to know what is Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is a new type of digital money, and just like with all money, you can store it, exchange it, and make payments with it. The key to what make Bitcoins different from national currencies like the US dollar, the euro, or the Japanese yes, yen lies in its decentralized structure and option. What does that mean? So let's continue it. Today's our topic was there. Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty, challenges scalability, regulatory developments, Bitcoin and financial inclusions, Bitcoin evolution and futures. The last one is Bitcoin. It's very important. So here's our first point. Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Basically, some investors view Bitcoin as a potential hedge against economic uncertainties and inflations. The finite supply and decentralization nature of Bitcoin make it as an attractive option for those seeking to diversify their investment portfolio. Here is one important point. Bitcoin, by contrast, it is an opt-in currency that is controlled by the consequences on or the will of its users. It consists of growing network of people who voluntarily agree to the rules of Bitcoin protocols. So you need to take it mind it. The second part of this lecture is challenges and scalability. Bitcoin faces challenges related to scalability, transaction fees, and network congestions during peak periods. Ongoing research and development efforts are aimed at addressing these issues through solutions like the Lightning Network and the segregated witness. We can also call it SegWit. Importantly, the system itself is headless and distributed globally, making it both resistant to corruption and extremely durable. The third part of this lecture is regulatory developments. Today's government around the world have been actively discussing and implementing regulations for cryptocurrencies, including bitcoins. These regulations seek to address concerns related to money laundering and know your customer requirements while balancing innovations and consumer protection. Basically, Bitcoin is often compared to gold because it has similar characteristics like it has a limited supply, it's easily divisible, and it's durable. And the most important, it's easy to send Bitcoin. The fourth part of this lecture is Bitcoin and financial inclusions. Bitcoin has the potential to foster financial inclusion by providing access to financial services for the unbanking and underbanking populations. With just a smartphones and internet connection, individuals can participate in the global economy and they have control over their financial assets. The last part of this lecture is Bitcoin's evolution and future. What is the future of Bitcoin? Basically, Bitcoin has evolved significantly since its inception and continues to undergo improvements and upgrades. As as technological advancement and user needs emerging developers are the community work together to shape the future of Bitcoin and its role in the broader financial ecosystems. Basically, the future of Bitcoin is very bright. Bitcoin is many things, but you can never call it boring. The oldest, largest, and most mature cryptocurrency is still finding its sea legs in the market, rolling through roughly equal amounts of good news and bad. So, where is Bitcoin head is the long run? Let's consider the best of all possible outcomes, the ultimate bear case, and then find a more realistic middle ground between those extremes. So, now we conclude our lecture. In conclusion, Bitcoin has emerged as a groundbreaking innovations, revolutionizing the world of finance and digital transactions. Its decentralized nature, powered by blockchain technology, has challenged traditional financial systems and opened up new possibilities for individuals worldwide. With its limited supply, divisibility, and global accessibility, Bitcoin has gained recognition as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and even a speculative investment. So, thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let me in the next lecture. Thank you. Goodbye.